Namaskar. Welcome to MOHUA'S kitchen. Let's begin with the recipe. First we need to make the sponge, and that is, for this we need 3 eggs, and we need to separate the egg white and the yolk in separate bowl. And I will beat the egg white first. Beat the egg white till it forms stiff peaks. See? And now keep it aside. Now in another bowl I have taken egg yolk, and I will add 2 cups of powdered sugar and beat it well till the sugar dissolves. After sugar has well dissolved in the egg yolk, now I will add 1/4 cup of oil, white oil, into it and mix it well. Scrape out with the spatula and beat it well again. And now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence into it and mix it well. After mixing it well, I will add half a cup of buttermilk into it and mix it well. After mixing it for 1 minute, now I will add the flour into it. I have taken here 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Sieve it and then add, and I will add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I will sieve both the things together into the batter and combine everything well. And now I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into it, and combine well with a spatula, or you can use electric beater, but it should be in low speed. And now when your batter is ready, I will add red food gel color. The cream over it, and with the help of a spatula or a palette knife, spread it evenly all over the cake. And then again the second layer comes again with the same process. Add the cream and with the help of a palette knife I'm just covering it all over, and repeat the process, same process. And now the top layer comes here, and the same way I will brush with some sugar syrup, and now I will apply thin layer of cream to cover the cake. This is called crumb coat, and I will rest it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. This will seal the crumbs of the cake and will give a smooth texture. After 15 minutes, I will take it out from the freezer, and this is the final coating. Carefully spread the cream all over the cake evenly, and the sides, don't forget the sides. Make it smooth as much as possible. I have used here scraper to scrape out the excess icing. So you can take any plastic cards or any plastic sheets to scrape it out, and just clean your palette knife again and again to get a smooth surface. Now I will take one heart shape cutter or any mold, heart shape mold I've used here. You can make designs of your own choice. And now I'm decorating the cake, the heart, with some cake crumbles. While cutting the cake which came out, the crumbles came out from there, and I'm using this into my heart to make it more attractive. And I will use some strawberry to cover the sides with some strawberries. You can design your cake according to your creativity, and see how beautiful it looks. And after covering the cake with the sides with some strawberries, now I will add some cream and just make some border around the sides of the heart to highlight it more with some white cream. And now I will give a border in the lower part of the cake too, and decorate this with some strawberries from the sides, and give a border according to your choice. My red velvet cake is ready to serve. Do enjoy this and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. Bye bye, take care, stay healthy.